I came to New York on a dream. I knew it might take me a while, but all I've been hearing since I arrived is leave it right there on the pile. So today I woke up and decided it's time to achieve, time to thrive, time to climb.
Miss March, tell us what has happened.
Sometimes when you dream, your dream is just a guess. Sometimes when you work really hard, you don't know if you'll ever find success. So I grabbed a story to sell and got ready to raise hell. Then I marched out the door and headed right for the weekly Volcano press.
Henry Dashwood, now there's a man of taste.
Dashwood was a fiend. He sneered at my distress. Tossed my story high on a stack, but I was determined I would progress. I said, sir, I'll wait while you read. But alas, he disagreed. So I jumped on a chair and read it right there at the weekly Volcano.
You jumped
Get away from me, you wretch! I cannot keep away. Your beauty draws me on back.
It's the one with all the horror in it, the bloodbath.
That's the one. But I took it hard to say. Well, I made it better. Thunder claps! Lightning strikes!
I've got to have you. I will take you.
Let go. Rodrigo here's magnificent splendor!
Unhand that woman, villain.
You!
I am your destiny. Take the dark path, your fate awaits you.
You will never escape me!
Look out!
Dashwood was aghast, but I could not care less. Words I spoke ignited the air. I felt like a publishing lioness. That's when Dashwood started to shout. Then I thought he'd throw me out. But then I persevered in a forest of weird, the weekly Volcano. The forest is dark and scary. What makes my way? She comes to a fork in the road and stops. I can't help you choose. Sacrifice. The scones are lies. Without these cones, perhaps a hag as tall as me. You'll never know your destiny unless you give up vanity. I've got to know. Please show me where to go. Your fate awaits you there. That is perilous. She avoids swamps. She loses her footing. Her shoes tumble off. The sleeve of her dress gets caught on a twisted limb. She comes to wild rapids and can go no further. If you want to cross, you must pay me. I'm the only boat that can get you there alive. I see you wear a necklace that holds a pretty jewel. My price to get across is what you're wearing round your neck. Well, literally sensual. I've nothing left but this. My prospects are so bleak. You never know what wisdom is until you give up all your riches. Here is yours, the shining distant shore. I'll take you to your fate.
Fire Gold Knight some assistance.
I have nothing left to give.
Give me your time.
My fate awaits me.
Can you not care for me? It's been years since I felt the touch of another hand.
Then take mine. And take my shawl. Ragged as it is.
You have completed your journey. My sword is yours. It will protect you against your enemies. Your fate is in your hands.
And Clarissa raced from the forest. Raced to the moors where she called, I have returned, Braxton! I will free the moors of your tyranny! Fight me!
I always knew you'd come back. They always do.
Clarissa thrusts! She parries! She backs up Braxton, pins him against the tree! She leans onto a craggy rock, her sword swishing and swooshing! Never has she been so determined! He is on fire! Pity she hadn't taken dueling lessons. Who should appear? The long-forgotten Rodrigo!
This is your end, villain. I've waited a lifetime to destroy you.
Who are you?
I am your worst.
Nightmare! I am her sister! And then Dashwood got on his knees, crying selfish to me, please.
March!
Then he ordered 4 more. Now I'm writing for the weekly Volcano.